Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that is going to help you in banking, SSC, GK, SSB, UGC NET, Railway, Police and in other state level exams. as आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion in notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in banking, PO clerk, SSC, GKSSB, UGC NET, police, railway and in other state level recruitments. And through this entire series we are going to cover almost all the syllabus और मैं students से request करता हूँ कि वो revise करें each chapter each part at least twice and they can also practice MCQs PYQs as well before their examination. इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिए और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड स्पेशली आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं जहां मैं आपसे PDF शेयर करूंगा. अदरवाइज़ अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटीरियल ज़रूरत हो तो मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. एंड प्रीवियसली हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया MCQ PYQ सेट 1 ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इन विच वी हैड डिस्कस्ड एट लीस्ट 20 क्वेश्चंस. अगर आपने अभी तक उस वीडियो को नहीं देखा आप जाके उसको ऑल्सो देख सकते हैं बिकॉज दीज क्वेश्चंस आर इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रॉम योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. एंड टुडे दिस विल बी आवर सेकंड सेट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. So let's start with the question number 22. The first question is, in the field of information and communication technology ICT, what is the full form of EEPROM? This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2018. Your options are 1. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. 2. Electrically efficient portable read-only memory. 3. Electrically efficient programmable read-only memory. And 4. Enhanced electrical portable read-only memory. Here the correct answer is option 1. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Let's see the explanation. EEPROM, it stands for इलेक्ट्रिकली इरेजेबल प्रोग्रामेबल रीड ऑनली मेमोरी, जो कि बेसिकली एग्जाम्पल है नॉन वॉलेटाइल मेमोरी की जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है इन वेरियस कंप्यूटर एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस. और EEPROM जो है इट अलाउ यूजर्स टू electrically erase, reprogram or to modify data multiple times, or we can say it has multiple read write cycles. एंड अनलाइक रोम दैट इज़ रीड ऑनली मेमोरी जिसको प्रोग्राम किया जाता है ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ इट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, जहाँ यूज़र जो है दैट कैन नॉट फर्दर मॉडिफाई और इरेज्ड. वाइल जो EEPROM है इसको प्रोग्राम किया जा सकता है आफ्टर इट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और इसको ऑल्सो मॉडिफाई इरेज कर सकते हैं यूज़र्स विदाउट रिमूविंग इट फ्रॉम डिवाइस. और ये जो EEPROM है इसको कॉमनली यूज़ किया जाता है इन बाइस माइक्रो कंट्रोल्स एंड स्मार्ट कार्ड्स. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 1 है दैट्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अनदर क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मेमोरी एंड स्टोरेज इज दैट memory is dash dash and storage is dash dash. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2015. Your options are 1. Temporary permanent, 2. Permanent temporary, 3. Slow fast, 4. Non-volatile volatile and 5. None of the above. Here the correct answer is option 1. Temporary and permanent. Let's see an explanation. मेमोरी और प्राइमरी मेमोरी इंक्लूडिंग रैम जो है इट इज़ अ टेम्पररी बिकॉज ये स्टोर करते हैं डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शंस को ओनली व्हेन द कंप्यूटर इज़ रनिंग. और यह हमें ऑल्सो वोलाटाइल देखने को मिलती है इन इट्स नेचर दैट लॉस इट इज़ डेटा व्हेन द पावर इज़ टर्न्ड ऑफ. वाइल ऑन द अदर हैंड जो स्टोरेज और जो सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज है इट इंक्लूड हार्ड ड्राइव्स, SSDs, रोम. यह हमें परमानेंट एंड नॉन वोलाटाइल देखने को मिलती है इन इट्स नेचर जो कि स्टोर करते हैं डेटा को इवन व्हेन द कंप्यूटर इज टर्न ऑफ. दस वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट कि जो मेमोरी है इट इज़ टेम्पररी वाइल जो स्टोरेज है इट इज़ परमानेंट. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 1 है दैट्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अनदर क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज द डैश डैश एक्ट्स एज अ बफर between CPU and main memory. This question had been already asked in UPSSC 2018. Your options are 1. Primary memory, 2. Cache memory, 3. Secondary memory and 4. RAM. Here the correct answer is option 2, cache memory. Let's see the explanation. Cache memory जो है it act as a buffer memory between the CPU and main memory RAM, जो कि स्टोर करती है frequently accessed data and instructions को, जो कि basically speed up करती है processing by reducing the time that it takes to access the data from the main memory RAM. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है, दैट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू अनदर क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ वेरी हाई स्पीड सेमीकंडक्टर memory which can speed up the CPU. This question had been already asked in SSC CHSL 2019. As just we had talked about it, your options are 1 secondary memory, 2 main memory, 3 primary memory, and 4 cache memory. Here the correct answer is option 4, cache memory. जो कैच मेमोरी है इट इज़ हाई स्पीड सेमीकंडक्टर मेमोरी, जो कि कंप्यूटर यूज़ करता है टू स्टोर फ्रीक्वेंटली एक्सेस्ड यूज डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस, जो कि बेसिकली स्पीड अप करती है सीपीयू ऑपरेशंस को बाय रिड्यूसिंग द टाइम दैट इट नीड्स टू एक्सेस डेटा फ्रॉम मेन मेमोरी रैम. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है, दैट इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द टर्म यूज्ड फॉर temporary stored data. This question had been already asked in UPSSSC 2019. Your options are 1 miscellaneous data, 2 cache data, 3 picket data, and 4 tempo data. Here the correct answer is option 2, cache data. Let's see the explanation. जो cache data है it is a temporary stored data जो कि CPU यूज़ करता है फॉर फास्ट रिट्रीवल और रिकवरी, जो कि बेसिकली इम्प्रूव करता है सिस्टम परफॉर्मेंस को, दैट इज़ बाय रिड्यूसिंग द एक्सेस टाइम टू द मेन मेमोरी. है, जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है, दैट इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस प्रोसीड टू अनदर क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज डैश डैश इज हैविंग more memory addresses than are physically available. This question had been already asked in SBI PO 2014. Your options are 1 virtual memory, 2 system software, 3 application software, 4 RAM, and 5 vertical memory. Here the correct answer is option 1, virtual memory. Let's see the explanation. जो virtual memory है it allow computer to use more memory addresses than physically available RAM, जो कि बेसिकली यूज़ करती है हार्ड डिस्क को एज टेम्पररी स्टोरेज, जो कि बेसिकली हेल्प करते हैं कंप्यूटर को इन रनिंग लार्जर प्रोग्राम्स एज वेल एज इन एफिशिएंट मल्टीटास्किंग. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 1 है, दैट्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let us see another question. The question is dash dash is the ability of a device to jump directly to the requested data. Your options are 1 sequential access, 2 random access, 3 quick access, and 4 all of the above. Here the correct answer is option 2, random access. Let's see the explanation. Random access जो है it is basically an ability of any electronic device to recover data directly or randomly without reading the data in sequence. And in comparison to sequential access जहाँ data जो है that is read in order, while जो RAM है that is random access memory and hard drivers, they use a random access for faster data recovery and retrieval. And जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's move to next question. The question is the dash dash is the amount of data that a storage device can move from the storage to the computer per second. Your options are 1 data migration rate, 2 data digitizing rate, 3 data transfer rate, and 4 data access rate. Here the correct answer is option 3, data transfer rate. Let's see the explanation. जो डेटा ट्रांसफ़र रेट है इट इज़ अ स्पीड एट विच जो डेटा है दैट मूव्स फ्रॉम स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस सच एज फ्रॉम हार्ड ड्राइव्स, SSDs और USBs टू द कंप्यूटर, एंड इसको टिपिकली मेजर किया जाता है इन मेगाबाइट्स MBs पर सेकेंड एज वेल एज गीगाबाइट्स पर सेकेंड GBps. सो हैनस जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है, दैट्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let us discuss another question. The question is the main directory of a disk is called the dash dash directory. This question had been already asked in IBPS PU 2015. Your options are 1 network, 2 folder, 3 root, 4 other than those given as options, and 5 program. Here the correct answer is option 3 root. Let's see the explanation. जो root directory है it is the main directory of a disk जहाँ बाकी डायरेक्टरीज और जो फाइल्स हैं दैट आर स्टोर्ड. बेसिकली जो रूट डायरेक्टरी है इट इज़ ए टॉप लेवल डायरेक्टरी इन द फाइल सिस्टम फ्रॉम विच ऑल अदर डायरेक्टरीज जो है दे ब्रांच आउट और ऑरिजिनेट. एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है दैट इज फॉर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let's move to another question. The question is the dash dash indicates how much data a particular storage medium can hold. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2013. Your options are 1 storage, 2 access, 3 capacity, 4 memory, and 5 none of these. Here the correct answer is option 3 capacity. Let's see the explanation. जो storage capacity है it is nothing but the amount of data that a particular storage medium like hard drive, SSD, USB or CD can hold or store. और जो स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी है इसको मेजर किया जाता है इन बाइट्स, किलो बाइट्स, केबीज, मेगाबाइट्स, एमबीज, गीगाबाइट्स, जीबीज और इन टेराबाइट्स. एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है दैट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let us discuss another question. The question is the secondary storage device can only store data but they cannot perform. Your options are 1 arithmetic operations, logical operations, two logical operations, 3 fetch operations, and 4 all of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4 all of the above. Let's see the explanation. Secondary storage devices जो है that include hard drives, SSDs, USB drives and CDs और इनको commonly यूज़ किया जाता है to store data and instructions that cannot perform arithmetic or mathematical calculations as well as logical operations or decision making processes, as well as they cannot fetch operations that is retrieving or executing instructions, which is basically a main task of RAM and CPU. So all of these functions जो है that were given in these options, these functions are basically performed by CPU and primary memory RAM and not by the secondary storage. And जो हमारा option number 4 है that's our correct answer. Now let us proceed to another question. The question is where do you save the data that your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off. Your options are 1 RAM, 2 motherboard, 3 secondary storage device and 4 primary storage device. Here the correct answer is option 3 secondary storage device. Let's see an explanation. If we talk about RAM, that is random access memory, this will not be our answer because जो RAM है it is volatile in its nature that stores data temporarily which loses its data when the computer is turned off. Then motherboard जो है that is also incorrect because जो motherboard है it is a circuit board जो कि connect करता है different components of computer which does not store any data permanently. Then primary storage including RAM and cache, it is also incorrect because इसको use किया जाता है for temporary data processing which is also a non-volatile in its nature. And secondary storage, that is our correct answer because जो secondary storage devices हैं including HDDs, SSDs, USB drives, CDs etc. They store our data permanently जो कि हमें non volatile देखने को मिलते हैं in its nature जो कि store करते हैं हमारी data को even when the computer is turned off. Hence जो हमारा option number 3 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let us proceed to another question. The question is the term dash dash refers to data storage system that make it possible for a computer or electronic device to store and retrieve data. Your options are 1 retrieval technology, 2 input technology, 3 output technology and 4 storage technology. Here the correct answer is option 4 storage technology. Let's see the explanation. जो स्टोरेज टेक्नोलॉजी है इट इज़ सच टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम जो कि अलाउ करते हैं कंप्यूटर और अदर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस को to store or to retrieve data either permanently or temporary. और इसकी जो examples हैं that includes hard drives like HDDs, SSDs, flash drives, CDs, DVDs and cloud storage. While other options जो है like retrieval, input and output technology, they focuses on different aspects of the computing rather than on data storage. And जो हमारा option number 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss another question. The question is the storage device used to compensate for the difference in rates of flow of data from one device to another is termed as. Your options are 1 chip, 2 channel, 3 floppy and 4 buffer. Here the correct answer is option 4 buffer. Let's see the explanation. जो buffer memory है it is a temporary storage जो कि help करती है in managing the differences in data transfer rate or speeds between the two devices, जो कि basically allow करते हैं one device को to send data and that also help other device to process this data at a different rate or speed, जो कि prevent करते हैं bottlenecks और breakdowns. Like for example जो RAM memory है it act as buffer memory in printers, disk caches and streaming video buffers. Hence जो हमारा option number 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let's see another question. The question is which of the following is the magnetic storage device? Your options are 1 hard disk, 2 compact disk, 3 audio tapes and 4 all of these. Here the correct answer is option 1 hard disks. Let's see the explanation. Among the given options जो hard disks हैं they use magnetic storage to store or to retrieve digital data, that is by using one or more spinning platters that are covered with a magnetic material. While if we talk about other options like option 2 compact disk, it is incorrect because जो compact disk है it use optical storage and not magnetic storage. Then option 3 audio tapes जो है it is incorrect because जो audio tapes हैं they also use magnetic storage, but the thing is that कि जो audio tapes हैं these are not commonly used for computer data storage. So automatically जो option 4 है all of these it becomes incorrect because for computer related storage जो hard disk है it is the best answer है ना. जो हमारा option number 1 है that's our correct answer. Now let us discuss another question. The question is hard disk devices are considered dash dash storage. This question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2014. Your options are 1 flash, 2 temporary, 3 worthless, 4 non-volatile and 5 non-permanent. Here the correct answer is option 4 non-volatile. Let's see the explanation. जो हार्ड डिस्क्स हैं these are the examples of non-volatile storage devices जो कि स्टोर करते हैं डेटा को even when the power is turned off. Let's see why other options are incorrect. If we talk about option 1 flash storage, it is incorrect because जो flash storage है it include SSDs and USB drives and not traditional hard disks. Then option 2 temporary storage जो है it is also incorrect because जो temporary storage है it is basically a RAM which is volatile in its nature that lost its data when the power is turned off. And option 5 non-permanent जो है it is incorrect because जो hard disks है they store data permanently until it is deletion or overwriting है ना. जो हमारा option number 4 है that is correct. Now let's proceed to another question. The question is the thick rigid metal plotters that are capable of retrieving information at a high rate of speed are known as. This question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2014. Your options are 1 hard disk, 2 SAN, 3 software disk, 4 flash memory and 5 none of these. Here the correct answer is option 1 hard disk. Let's see the explanation. जो हार्ड डिस्क्स हैं these are the thick rigid metal platters जिनको यूज़ किया जाता है for high speed data recovery and permanent storage. While other options जो है like option 2 SAN that is storage area network it is incorrect because हमें network based storage solution देखने को मिलता है but not a physical disk. Then option 3, software disk जो है, it is also incorrect because it's not a standard term in computing. And option 4, flash memory जो है, it is also incorrect because it includes SSDs, USB drives, which are not rigid metal platters. है ना, जो हमारा option number 1 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to another question. The question is, hard drive is used to store. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Your options are 1, volatile data, 2, non-volatile data, 3, permanent data, 4, temporary data, and 5, intermediate data. Here the correct answer is option 3, permanent data. Let's see the explanation. जो हार्ड ड्राइव है, इट इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है टू स्टोर डेटा परमानेंटली, बिकॉज ये हमें नॉन वोलेटाइल देखने को मिलती है इन इट्स नेचर, और वी कैन से इट इज़ अ नॉन वोलेटाइल स्टोरेज डिवाइस जो कि स्टोर करती है डेटा को even when the computer is turned off. And permanent in the sense mean जो data है that is not lost unless intentionally deleted or formatted or the drive becomes corrupted. So जो hard drive है, it can store data for long time और permanently जिसको हम still modify erase कर सकते हैं. Hence जो हमारा option number 3 है, that's our correct answer. Now let us proceed to another question. The question is, the hard drive is normally located. This question had been already asked in SBI BO 2014. Your options are 1, next to the printer, 2, plugged into the back of a computer, 3, underneath the monitor, 4, on the top of the CD-ROM, and 5, inside the system-based unit. Here the correct answer is option 5, inside the system-based unit. Let's see the explanation. जो हार्ड ड्राइव है, it is generally located inside the CPU cabinet और system based unit of a computer, जो कि हमें फिक्सड देखने को मिलती है इन ड्राइव पे, जिसको बेसिकली डिज़ाइन किया जाता है टू स्टोर टू होल्ड और टू स्टोर to hold storage devices firmly in one place. और ये जो ड्राइव है, it is connected to the motherboard through SATA and NVMe interface. Hence जो हमारा option number 5 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, data on a floppy disk is recorded in rings called, your options are 1, sectors, 2, ringers, 3, rounders, and 4, tracks. Here the correct answer is option 4, tracks. Let's see the explanation. The data जो है on floppy disk that is recorded in concentric rings which are also called as tracks. और हर एक ट्रैक जो है वो हमें फर्दर डिवाइड देखने को मिलते हैं इनटू द डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स जो कि स्टोर करते हैं स्मॉल यूनिट्स ऑफ डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शंस को, है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है, दैट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let's proceed to last question of this session. The question is, which of the following is are examples of magnetic storage media? Your options are 1, zip disk, 2, CD-ROM, 3, floppy disk, 4, DVD, and 5, both 1 and 3. Here the correct answer is option 5, both 1 and 3. Let's see the explanation. जो मैग्नेटिक स्टोरेज मीडिया और जो डिवाइसेस हैं, दे यूज़ मैग्नेटाइजेशन टू स्टोर डेटा, एंड एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मैग्नेटिक स्टोरेज मीडिया एंड डिवाइसेस इंक्लूड ऑप्शन 1, जिप ड्राइव, जो कि हमें रिमूवेबल मैग्नेटिक डिस्क देखने को मिलती है that stores data, and option 2, floppy disk, जो कि हमें पोर्टेबल मैग्नेटिक स्टोरेज डिवाइस देखने को मिलता है, while जो CD-ROM और जो DVD-ROM है that were given in other options, these are basically the optical storage media but not magnetic. And जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 5 है, that is our correct answer. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you liked this session. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिए. अगर कहीं भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेशन में ज़रूर लिखिए. इसके अलावा आप मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. अदर देन दैट आप मुझे ऑल्सो फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स, एंड कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन टेलीग्राम फॉर PDF. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.